So today I'm reviewing this 153-in-1 precision screwdriver set. It came in this box and some plastic wrap, and it comes in this very portable hard plastic case. It's super portable. Here, as you can see, it has bits for just about everything. Today I've got a couple things that I've got for my kids that I need to use a screwdriver for. And so let me go ahead and get one of these 153 bits. It's lightweight, but it's definitely easy to use. This comes in really handy. We've got a bunch of kiddos around the house, and so we're constantly having to put in new batteries for controllers or different kinds of toys that we've got. And so it's going to be nice to have this around the house just to be able to keep in a handy location and have it on the go as well. Very easy to use. Another great tool that comes in this precision set is this flexible extension shaft. You just add it to the screwdriver if you've got a hard to reach location. It comes where you can bend, and still all you have to do, you can just screw it from the screwdriver itself. It also expands as well. And so this comes all the way out for, once again, those hard to reach locations. It comes with so many things. It's got tweezers. It's even got an extension where if, sometimes you lose tools, especially if you're trying to get to a hard to reach place. It's got the magnet right there. Super easy, super handy. This has everything that you could need. So I highly recommend this. Like I said, it's very nice to use. It comes in a very handy case. It's durable. And it has 153 bits in it, which means that this is the one set that you need to use for just about anything, whether it's video game controllers, cell phones, computers, or just like I used today, toys for your kids. I definitely recommend.